What?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's ready.
Oh. Holla Pete.
You're not doing it right.
Are we on video?
Yeah.
Alright. That can all go in there. It's bloopers. Hello everybody, it's your girl Schree reporting live on Schree TV. What I have to do is, the baby showed me, she's trying to do it herself. I'm like, look, you're passing a kidney stone. Let me do it. So I gotta get all this water here. Go over there.
Right.
That's the aim. That's what we want to do. It's kind of like the movie Bathraft, when the fire became personified, and it was them against the fire.
You're not doing it right.
Schree against the water. Well,
You're just wasting.
I have to look at the camera once in a while.
You're just wasting water.
Well, let me tape you now.
I'm not doing it. There ain't baby TV. It is Schree TV.
You don't want to be on Schree TV?
They can hear me. They just can't see me. Don't knock me in the pool.
I know, Mike. Quit smoking. I will.
Let me see if I can do it without being on film.
Holla, Chris. Big Schree TV fan. I want to say holla to our girl Lori on Schree TV. I love my fans. Thank you very much.
You're just making a bigger mess. Say goodbye while I do it.
Alright everybody, baby's fired me. She's gonna do it. And maybe she'll even let me tape her so she can be on Schree TV. Love you guys. We'll be shooting some more later. Love you.